All right, we're going to continue on part B on testing pH, but what we're going to do now is we're going to actually use some pH papers. This is frequently the method that's used to test like the pH of your swimming pool. It's also used in the clinical setting in a little strip that you'll actually use to test urines, if I can get that picked up. So they use those to test the pH of urine in the clinical setting. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually take some little papers out of this little vial, these pH papers, and we're going to drop different substances on this pH paper, and then you're going to record it on page number 26 in your lab book, 26, number 2. All right, so the first thing that they want you to actually test is actually deionized water. So let's drop some of that on a piece of paper here. Now your lab book says to actually look at it right when the color changes and compare it to the vial to see what the pH is. So let's look and see. This is DI water. It's actually staying about 5. You'll notice it's staying about 5. Okay, so we're going to discard that. All right, the next thing we're going to use is tap water. Tap water. Drop it on here. Okay. Notice it says to record it right when the paper starts to change, and that's going to be a 7 for tap water. The next is going to be egg. So you can place that. It has sample number 1 on page number 26. Sample number 1 is going to be egg white, or egg albumin is what it's called in the lab book. All right, egg albumin. I'm going to say closer to 9. 9 on egg albumin. Okay. The next sample that we're going to test is glucose. Glucose. It's like a sugar water. Alright. Let's see if we're going to compare that. I'm going to say closer to 3. We can put 4 if you want to put 4, because it's going to be between the 3 and the 5. Okay. The next one we're going to test is going to actually be a soft drink. Diet Coke, yum. Alright. Definitely closer to the 3. So we're going to put 3 for Diet Coke or soft drink. Okay, next I have is some starch. I'm going to say that's between 3 and 1 there. Okay, so let's make it a 2 on starch. Next I have potato juice. Uh-oh, maybe I am. Hold on just a second, my pipette's stopped up. Okay, let's put a little bit on there. Oh, potato stuff coming out. Okay, let me get a new pipette. Thank you, lab assistant Mr. Bub. That's my son helping me there. Oh, let's get a new paper. Potato juice. I'm going to say 5 on potato juice. Then the next one is some vinegar. Vinegar. Remember with the cabbage juice we said that was probably acidic, or it was acidic, it wasn't probably. Woohoo, look at that. Definitely I'm going to say like 2 on the vinegar. And last but not least, this is a specimen that my son chose, orange juice. Orange juice, definitely, I'm going to say towards the 5. Okay, alrighty.